I just spent $4,200 fixing a customer's 2017 RX 350. The problem? Fuel injector damage from the wrong fuel cleaner. She walked into AutoZone, grabbed a bottle labeled Maximum Fuel System Cleaner, and poured it in her tank. Within 200 miles, her engine was misfiring, running rough, and throwing check engine codes. The fuel injectors? Destroyed. The O-ring swelled and failed. The spray patterns became erratic. All 8 injectors needed replacement plus cleaning the entire fuel system of contaminated residue. Total cost: $4,200 for a problem caused by a $12 bottle of fuel cleaner. This isn't rare. I see it monthly. Lexus owners using fuel additives that are completely wrong for modern direct injection engines. They're trying to maintain their vehicles and actually causing expensive damage. Here's what nobody tells you. Most fuel injector cleaners sold at auto parts stores are formulated for older port injection engines. The solvents, detergents, and additives that work fine in 1990s engines destroy components in modern Lexus direct injection systems. I've been testing fuel additives for 32 years. I've seen what works and what causes damage. I've torn apart fuel systems destroyed by wrong products and restored systems using the right ones. Today, I'm exposing the 9 fuel cleaners that damage Lexus engines and revealing the only 2 products that actually work without causing harm. This information could save you thousands in repair costs and keep your fuel system healthy for the long term. Let's separate the harmful from the helpful. Why most fuel cleaners damage Lexus engines? Before we name specific products, you need to understand why most cleaners are dangerous for your Lexus. Modern Lexus engines use direct injection, often called D4S. The injectors spray fuel directly into the combustion chamber at extremely high pressure, 2,000 plus psi. These injectors have precision components with tight tolerances, O-rings and seals made from specific materials, spray nozzles engineered to exact specifications. Most fuel cleaners contain harsh solvents designed to dissolve carbon and varnish. These solvents work great on old-school fuel systems with lower pressures and cruder components. But in direct injection systems, these same solvents attack O-rings, causing them to swell or deteriorate. They can damage the coating on injector nozzles, affecting spray patterns. They sometimes contain alcohol that strips away protective films inside the fuel system. Here's what makes this especially problematic. Lexus uses a dual injection system in many models, combining port injection and direct injection. The D4S system has 2 sets of injectors, 2 fuel rails, and twice as many seals and O-rings that can be damaged by wrong products. When a fuel cleaner attacks these components, it doesn't just damage one injector, it contaminates the entire fuel system. The swollen O-ring particles circulate through fuel lines, clog filters, and damage the high-pressure fuel pump. What starts as a $12 bottle of cleaner becomes a cascading failure affecting multiple expensive components. The result is destroyed injectors, contaminated fuel pumps, and damaged high-pressure fuel systems. Repairs cost $3,000 to $5,000 because you can't just replace one injector. You need to replace all of them to maintain balanced performance. Lexus engines also have unique fuel system components that react differently to additives than other brands. The fuel pump, pressure regulator, and injector seals use materials optimized for clean gasoline, not aggressive chemical solvents. That's why products that work fine in Ford or Chevy engines destroy Lexus fuel systems. Dangerous product number 1. STP Fuel Injector Cleaner. This is one of the most popular products at auto parts stores. It's also one of the worst for Lexus engines. STP uses aggressive solvents that can swell O-rings in direct injection systems. I've seen multiple Lexus engines develop injector seal failures after using STP products. The formula is designed for older engines and hasn't been updated for modern direct injection systems. Avoid all STP fuel system products in your Lexus. The risk far outweighs any potential benefit. Dangerous product number 2, Gumout Multi-System Tune-Up. Gumout makes several products, but their multi-system formulas are particularly problematic for Lexus engines. These products contain high concentrations of solvents that attack fuel system seals. They're marketed as treating the entire fuel system, but they're too aggressive for precision direct injection components. I've diagnosed 2 cases of fuel pump failure traced back to Gumout products. The solvents damaged internal fuel pump seals, causing pressure fluctuations and eventual failure. Dangerous product number 3, Lucas Fuel Treatment. Lucas makes quality products for many applications, but their fuel treatment isn't appropriate for modern Lexus engines. The formula contains upper cylinder lubricants that can cause carbon buildup on direct injection intake valves. This is the opposite of what you want. It also contains detergents that aren't strong enough to clean direct injection systems, but are harsh enough to damage seals. You get the worst of both worlds. Dangerous product number 4, Seafoam Motor Treatment. Seafoam has a cult following, but it's terrible for Lexus direct injection engines. The petroleum-based formula is too aggressive for modern fuel system components. I've seen it cause O-ring swelling in multiple Lexus fuel systems. Seafoam was designed in 1942 for carbureted engines. Despite marketing claims, it hasn't evolved properly for 21st century direct injection systems. The company has a newer product called Seafoam High Mileage, but it still contains problematic ingredients for Lexus engines. Dangerous product number 5, Berryman B12 Chem Tool. This is an extremely aggressive solvent-based cleaner that absolutely will damage your Lexus fuel system. B12 is so harsh it can damage paint if spilled. That same aggressiveness destroys modern fuel injector seals and O-ring. I've seen catastrophic injector failures within 100 miles of using Berryman product. The O-rings swell, leak, and cause misfires. Replacement cost $3,500 to $4,500. Never put this product in a modern Lexus engine, ever. Dangerous product number 6, generic store brand cleaners. AutoZone, O'Reilly, Advance Auto, they all sell house brand fuel injector cleaners for $5 to $8. These are universally terrible. The formulas are inconsistent, the detergent concentrations are wrong, and the solvents are too harsh for direct injection engines. I've diagnosed problems from all the major store brands. None of them are safe for Lexus engines. The $3 you save buying generic cleaner will cost you $4,000 when your injectors fail. Dangerous product number 7, Marvel Mystery Oil. This old school product has been around since 1923. It should have stayed in 1923. Marvel Mystery Oil is designed as an upper cylinder lubricant and fuel system cleaner. But modern engines don't need upper cylinder lubrication, and the cleaning agents aren't effective on direct injection carbon. The oil-based formula can cause carbon buildup on intake valves in direct injection engines. It also leaves residue in the combustion chamber that fouls spark plugs. Multiple Lexus owners have reported rough idle and misfires after using Marvel Mystery Oil. The problems cleared up after running several tanks of clean fuel through the system. Dangerous product number 8, Liqui Moly Fuel System Treatments. This surprises many people because Liqui Moly has a premium reputation, but their fuel treatments aren't formulated correctly for Lexus engines. The German market formulas are designed for European fuel systems, which have different specifications than Japanese systems. The detergent packages and solvents react differently with Lexus fuel system components. I've seen 2 cases of fuel pump problems and 1 injector seal failure traced to Liqui Moly products in Lexus vehicles. Their diesel products are excellent, but their gasoline treatments don't translate well to Lexus engines. Dangerous product number 9, Techron Concentrate Plus. Wait, didn't I say Techron is good? Techron Concentrate is excellent, but Techron Concentrate Plus is a different formula. The Plus version contains additional additives for complete fuel system cleaning that are too aggressive for Lexus direct injection systems. Stick with regular Techron concentrate. The Plus version adds ingredients you don't need and creates risks you don't want. Chevron created confusion with similar naming. Make sure you buy Concentrate, not Concentrate Plus. The only two products that actually work. After testing dozens of products over 32 years, I've found only 2 fuel cleaners that effectively clean Lexus direct injection engines without causing damage. Product number 1, Chevron Techron Concentrate Plus Original Formula. This is the gold standard for Lexus fuel system cleaning. Techron uses polyethyramine (PEA) detergents that effectively dissolve carbon deposits without damaging fuel system components. The formula is safe for all seals, O-rings, and sensors in Lexus engines. Chevron designed Techron specifically for modern direct injection engines. It's the only additive many Lexus and Toyota engineers recommend privately. How to use it. Add 1 20-ounce bottle to a full tank of gas every 3,000 to 5,000 miles. Drive normally until the tank is empty. For severe carbon buildup, use it in 2 consecutive tanks. This provides deeper cleaning for neglected engines. Cost: $12 to $15 per bottle. Worth every penny compared to $4,000 in injector repairs. You'll notice improvements within 1 tank. Smoother idle, better throttle response, slightly improved fuel economy. These changes indicate the product is working. Product number 2, BG44K Fuel System Cleaner. This is a professional-grade product usually available through shops, but you can buy it online. BG44K uses a highly concentrated PEA formula similar to Techron but even stronger. It's designed for severe carbon buildup and performance restoration. The key difference: BG44K is more concentrated, so you use less product. 1 11-ounce can treats a full tank and provides aggressive cleaning. This product is safe for Lexus engines because BG formulated it specifically for modern direct injection systems. They work directly with manufacturers to ensure compatibility. How to use it: add 1 can to a nearly full tank of gas. Drive the entire tank at varied speeds, including highway driving. The high exhaust temperatures help burn off dissolved carbon. Cost: $30 to $40 per can. More expensive than Techron, but also more concentrated and effective for severe problems. Use BG44K when you're experiencing symptoms: rough idle, hesitation, reduced power. Use Techron for regular maintenance prevention. Why only? These 2 products work. Techron and BG44K share critical characteristics that make them safe and effective. They use PEA, polyethyramine detergents, instead of harsh solvents. PEA dissolves carbon chemically without attacking rubber or plastic components. They're formulated at the correct concentration, strong enough to clean effectively, but not so strong they damage components. They contain no harsh alcohols or petroleum distillates that damage seals. They're pH balanced to not corrode metal fuel system components. They've been tested specifically on direct injection engines, not just older port injection systems. Both companies work with automotive manufacturers to ensure compatibility. They understand the unique requirements of Lexus fuel systems. How to use fuel cleaners correctly. Even good products can cause problems if used incorrectly. Never use fuel cleaner in a nearly empty tank. Always add it to a full tank or add fuel immediately after. Concentrated cleaner sitting in an empty tank can damage fuel pump seals. Don't use fuel cleaner more frequently than recommended. Monthly use is excessive and wastes money. Every 3,000 to 5,000 miles is optimal. Don't mix different brands. Stick with 1 product for consistency. Mixing formulas can create chemical reactions you don't want. Always drive the full tank after adding cleaner. The cleaning action happens during combustion, not while sitting in the tank. For severe carbon buildup, use cleaner in consecutive tanks, then switch to maintenance intervals. 2 treatments back to back provide maximum cleaning, then maintain with regular intervals. Signs you need fuel system. Cleaning. How do you know if your Lexus needs fuel system cleaning? Rough idle, especially when cold. This indicates carbon buildup affecting airflow. Hesitation during acceleration. Carbon restricts valve opening, reducing power delivery. Reduced fuel economy. Carbon buildup disrupts combustion efficiency. Misfires or engine codes. Severe carbon can prevent proper valve sealing. Loss of power on acceleration. Carbon restricts airflow and reduces compression. If you experience any of these symptoms and your Lexus has over 60,000 miles, carbon buildup is likely. Use Techron or BG44K as directed. If symptoms are severe, consider professional intake valve cleaning. Walnut blasting removes carbon that chemical cleaners can't touch. Cost: $500 to $700. Prevention is better than treatment. The best strategy is preventing carbon buildup rather than treating it. Use top-tier gasoline from brands that add detergents: Chevron, Shell, Exxon, BP, Costco. These fuels contain additives that reduce carbon formation. Add Techron every 5,000 miles as preventive maintenance. This keeps carbon from accumulating to problem levels. Drive your Lexus hard occasionally. High RPMs and full throttle acceleration create exhaust temperatures that burn off carbon. Monthly spirited highway drives help maintain clean valves. Avoid excessive idling and short trips. Carbon forms when combustion temperatures stay low. Highway driving keeps things clean. What about professional services? Many shops offer fuel system cleaning services for $150 to $300. Are they worth it? Most use the same products you can buy yourself. They add cleaner to your tank and charge $200 for a $15 bottle. Not worth it. Some shops have equipment that pressurizes cleaner directly into the fuel rail. This provides more aggressive cleaning, but costs $200 to $300. Only worth it for severe problems. The best professional service is walnut blasting for direct injection carbon. This physically removes buildup that chemicals can't touch. Worth the $500 to $700 cost for engines with severe symptoms. For routine maintenance, buying Techron yourself and adding it every 5,000 miles is far more cost-effective than professional services. The bottom line: protecting your Lexus fuel system is simple. Avoid the 9 dangerous products and use only Techron concentrate or BG44K. This one decision prevents $4,000 in potential damage while keeping your engine running smoothly. The fuel cleaner aisle at auto parts stores is full of products that will damage your Lexus. Now you know which ones to avoid and which ones actually work. Use Techron every 5,000 miles for maintenance. Use BG44K when symptoms develop. Drive on top-tier gasoline when possible. Follow this strategy and your Lexus fuel system will stay clean and functional for hundreds of thousands of miles. The $12 you spend on the right product prevents thousands in repairs from the wrong product. Easy choice. If you found these tips helpful, be sure to watch this next video as we're sharing insider tips to help you cut repair costs and keep your car running like new.